Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a character reference letter for court. What is a character reference in law? You have been asked to write a character reference for someone going to court because this person has broken the law. A character reference is a letter and includes your opinion of this person. The purpose of writing this letter is to provide a positive testimony of someone's character. It is often used when it is beneficial for a court to learn about this person's reputation and personality to help them argue their case. The person you write the letter for could be your friend. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a character reference letter for court step by step. Check this out. Here, you will need to write the head of the letter that contains your information, date of the letter, and the information about the recipient, just like in business letters in general. This time, I will skip it. I believe you already know what to write for the head of the letter. And to open the body of the letter, write a salutation. Since you have no idea about the name of the recipient, you can just write Dear Sir or Madam. In the first paragraph, you can write the reason why you are writing this letter. Here, state clearly that this is a reference letter to someone. And write the full name of the person. And write the reason why you write the character reference letter. In this case, you must mention the reason why the person appeared in the court. Write what case it is. In the second paragraph, write honestly that the person asked you to write this character reference letter. But, to show your support, you can say that you plan to do this before the person asked you. And tell the recipient that through this letter, you want to convince the recipient that the person is a good person. Or you can use other language just like in this video with the same message. In the third paragraph, write clearly that the person is a good person with good moral character. But, the circumstances due to the case the person would make the recipient hard to believe it. And it is your job to convince them, or at least, give a try. You can start telling the recipient about your relationship with the person. Mention how long you have known the person. And show how close you are to the person by mentioning that you have seen the person go through ups and downs. And after all this time, write your good opinion about this person. For example, you can say that the person is a decent person at the core. When you write this, you must be honest and don't make up stories. And write how the person just needs more people to believe in her or him. Show how confident you are that the person can become a better person as you expected. It is about spreading your belief about the future of the person that he or she is really a good person. In the last paragraph, admit that the person made mistakes. You must not deny it. Admit how the person is incredibly remorseful. Convince the recipient that the person is willing to do anything to fix his or her mistakes. In both financially and emotionally. And to support this, convince the recipient that the person needs the recipient to give the person an opportunity of a second chance. And once again admit that the person made mistakes and broke the laws. Agree to the law that the person must get the punishment he or she deserves. But, convince and hope the recipient to think and consider about the person's future. In short, write your hope that the recipient make a fair decision. This is the point why you are writing this letter. Finally, close the letter by thanking the recipient. Add your signature and your full name. So, that's how you write a character reference letter for court step by step. I hope this video is easy to understand. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.